Welcome to the announcement video of the shortlisted images for the final judging round of the Urban Wildlife category in the Pangolin Photo Challenge. My name is William Steele, and along with my fellow professional wildlife photographers, Stu Porter and Stephen Antoon, we have the honour of picking the top images from this incredible selection. We'll be making our final decisions and announcing the winners on Sunday, so make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the show. If you would like to know more about how to enter this year's photo challenge, I will leave a link in the description below. Entry is free, and it's a great way to showcase your wildlife photography. There are lots of prizes to be won, and you can even win a safari just by entering an image. Finally, we would love to see if you agree with our choices, so please tell us in the comments below which one you think that we should have picked for top honours in this category. Enjoy the show, and we hope to see you on safari soon.